Hello folks, welcome to Yardie's Kitchen. This is Taste Buds with yours truly, saying hope. Alright, what you're looking at here is my colander with some vegetables. I have green beans here. I have some yellow bell peppers. I have scallions. I have three different types of carrot, well, four different kinds of carrots. I have the white, the orange, the yellow, and the purple, supposedly. I have some garlic, and I have half of onion. All right, so this is what happens. It's a weekday, guys, and you know weekday meals are, quick and easy. So I bought me a hamburger helper. Yes, hamburger helper. But as you know, me not really do everything normal, so I'm switching it up a little bit. In this bowl, and I don't normally like to show raw meat, but in this bowl I have some chicken breast, just two chicken breasts that I've cut into slivers, and I put some quick seasoning on it. I put a little bit of marinade. Let me show you the marinades that I use. So I used a little bit of Moore's, yes, original marinade, and I use a little bit of rotisserie chicken seasoning, and as usual I always have my trusty garlic powder. All right, and I just put that down put the chicken in that to marinate for 15 minutes with a little bit of olive oil, and now I'm ready to put everything together. One pot meal. Hamburger helper? Nah. Chicken helper. That's what we're cooking with Yardie's Kitchen. Remember me tell. So I put her on the pot with about 3 or 4 tablespoons of oil, and I'm just gonna add my chicken and quickly stir fry the chicken. And you don't want to do this too long. You're not trying to cook the chicken. You just want to take it from raw to immediately from like pink to start the cooking process. And then the next thing I'm gonna add in almost immediately, as I said, is my onions and my scallions. And you want all of those things to cook together so that you can impart flavor into the meat. Here goes. And by cooking all of this together, the onion will start to send some of its liquid into the chicken, and vice versa. And then you want to add your garlic. I'm adding my garlic almost immediately, and then I am just pretty much gonna be stir frying, sauteing this quickly, and we move on to the very next thing. Yes, because this is building on flavors. That's what we're doing, building on flavors. Now I'm adding my green peas, yes, and you want to stir fry your green peas. You want it crunchy, but you want it to be at least tender but crunchy. You know what I mean? Tender but crunchy. All right, and my green peas is building on my vegetable layers now, because you want to add vegetable to this dish. You don't want this dish to be just purely protein and starch. All right. Now I'm adding my carrots, and this is the tricolor baby carrots. But just I use up what I have in the fridge. So yeah, you can use any type of carrot you want and cut them any type of way you want, okay? But I'm adding my carrots now, and the reason why I'm adding my carrots and my green peas is because they take a little bit longer to cook. All right. Now I'm gonna add my cooked pasta or elbow macaroni. Now I think I overcooked this a little bit, yeah. But you guys just make sure that you put this on and take it off when it becomes al dente or just tender, you know. But I think I overcooked this a little bit because them feel a little bit more softer than normal. But that's okay. We're still doing it how we're doing it, yes. Now me and the little boy debating because he wants me to add the cheese package which comes with the hamburger helper. I wasn't thinking of adding it, but you know what? On Monday, can't bother ya. So me go add my cheese packet. But this is how everything looks so far. How it look? Look good? Yes, man. And remember, guys, you flavor this how you want. You add your own spices. You do what you want with this, okay? But let's move on to the next step. See the cheese package, yeah? I gotta add it now. And I'm adding and then stirring and adding and stirring so that everything don't clump up and you don't want to be biting on into like big clumps of cheese or anything like that. So you just add a little bit as you go along and it will basically be your sauce, all right? And it brings everything together in a nice way. I think he was onto something good. Me no mind using the cheese sauce. If you don't like cheese or if you don't like salt or if you don't like the flavor, you can always do without it by finishing your dish with another type of sauce, maybe oyster flavor sauce or maybe a little bit of barbecue sauce. But I'm using the cheese here to just create that nice variety, that nice style, yeah? So I'm adding little as I go. You guys can do it your way. And see there, me add all of the cheese and I'm just gonna blend this in now. Make sure so everything is thoroughly incorporated. I'm gonna check my seasonings for salt, for black pepper, you know, everything like that. And the very last thing that I think I'm gonna add is my yellow bell peppers, and then I'm immediately gonna turn the stove off. Yeah, food ready. So there is my finished dish, guys. As I said before, my pasta was a little bit too well cooked, and so it came out a little bit mushy. I'm not 100% okay with how the pasta came out, but I show it anyway because a real cooking me I do. So this is my chicken helper, yes, hamburger helper on steroids, more healthier version, and I do hope that you will try this in your neck of the woods. Like, share, subscribe, comment, give us a thumbs up, and once again, join us for Taste Buds on Yardie TV.